Abhiranjan Kumar, and today we are going to learn dative case in German language. Yeah, if you want to get my daily video updates, then please like and subscribe my channel. Yeah, so let's begin. Yeah, so dative case. Yeah, in dative case, we always talk about indirect object, and object is always a person. As we know, there are two types of object. Okay, first is direct object, and second is indirect object. Okay, so in dative case, we always talk about indirect object. Okay, guys. Yeah, and here is the structure of sentence. Okay, first we write the subject, then we write the verb, and then we write the object. So subject will be always nominative. Okay, and object can be a person or can be a thing, but in dative case object will be always a person. Okay, guys, object will be always a person in dative case. Object can be a singular or can be a plural in dative case. Like if I ask you, wem helfen Sie? Okay, means whom are you helping? Okay, and I can say, ich helfe dem Mann. Okay, I'm helping the men. So the men, okay, which is the person here, okay, which is the dative object. Okay, next is, wem danken Sie? Means whom are you thanking? Okay, and you can answer, ich danke dem Mann. Okay, I'm helping the men. Okay, so the men is the dative object here. Next, okay, so we can also recognize dative case by the verb. Okay, if the verb is dative, then object is also dative. Okay, and dative verbs are given below, like danken means to thank, asgate generally we use to know about someone, folgen means to follow, gratularian means to congratulate, gefallen means to be liked, gehören means to belong, okay, helfen means to help, passen means to fit, passieren means to happen, antworten to answer, schmecken means to test. Okay, so these are the basic dative verbs. Okay, for even level. Okay, now we are going to make the sentences. Okay, yeah. So to make the sentence, first we have to learn, okay, the articles. Okay, and I would like to remember the articles. Okay, so there are three types of article in German language. Okay, guys. Yeah, first is bestimmt, second is unbestimmt, and third one is negative article. Okay, so what is the table of bestimmt article? In masculine we write der, die, das, die. In nominative case, in accusative case we write den, die, das, die. And in dative what we write, guys? Dem, der, dem, den plus in. Okay, like in unbestimmt article you can see ein, eine, ein. In accusative einen, eine, ein. And in dative einem, eine, eine. Okay, like in negative article what we are use, guys? Yeah, kein, keine, keine, keinen, keine, keine, keinem, keiner, keinem plus n. Okay, and here is the table of Personalpronomen. Okay, yeah, ich means I. Okay, mich means me, mir means to me. Okay, guys. Yeah, ich generally we use in case of subject in nominative case, mich we use in accusative case, and mir we use in dative case. Like the im that we use in dative case. Im, yeah, ihr, uns, yeah, yeah, that we use in dative case. Okay. So now we are going to make the sentence. Okay. Okay. So if I say first verb is like Duncan, and if I say I am thanking, okay, the men, so the sentence will be, okay, first we write the subject, then we write the verb, and then we write the object. Okay, so the sentence will be, ich danke dem Mann. Ich danke dem Mann. So why dem Mann, guys? Because verb is dative, okay, and we will use dative object. Okay, and you can see the table. Okay, man is masculine. Okay, and in dative case what we write? Article them. Like in unbestimmt article, what we write, guys? Einem. Okay. In negative, what we write, guys, for masculine? Keinem. Okay. Like if I say, I'm thanking a man. So the sentence will be, Ich danke einem Mann. Okay. If I take the example of negative, like if I say, I'm not thanking a man. So the sentence will be, Ich danke keinem Mann. Okay. So like this way, you can write the sentence. Okay. Yeah. In unbestimmt article, what we write, guys, for masculine, einem, negative, keinem. Okay. Yeah. Now I'm taking the example of personal pronoun. Okay. If I say, I am thanking him. Okay. So the sentence will be, Ich danke ihm. Okay. Ihm means to him. Okay. You can see the table. Yeah. Er means he. Ihm means to him. Im means him and ihm means to him. Okay, guys, that we use in dative case. So here we will write Ich danke ihm. Okay. Next verb is helfen. So what is the conjugation, guys? With ich we write helfe, du hilfst, er sie hilft, sie helfen, wir helfen, ihr helft, sie helfen, sie helfen. Like if I say, we are helping the woman. So the sentence will be, wir helfen der Frau. So why der Frau, guys? Because the woman is feminine. An article is die Frau. But the verb is dative here. Helfen. Okay. So the object will be always dative. Okay. So in bestimmt article, feminine, what we write, guys? Der. So that's why I have written here, wir helfen der Frau. In case of unbestimmt article, feminine, what we write? Eine. In negative, what we write, guys? Keiner. Okay. So you can see the sentence. Okay. If I say, we are helping a woman, we are helping a woman. So the sentence will be, we are helfen eine Frau. Okay. And if I say, we are not helping a woman, so the sentence will be, we are helfen keine Frau. Okay. Now, if I take the example of personal pronoun, okay, if I say, we are helping her, so the sentence will be, we are helfen ihr. Okay, ihr means to her. Okay, in dative case we use ihr. You can see the table. Yeah, this one. Sie, sie, ihr. Sie we use in nominative, which means she, and this sie means her, and this ihr means to her. Okay. So like this way, you can write the sentence. Now I'm taking the example of plural case. Okay, if I say, like, we are helping the woman. Okay, so the sentence will be wir helfen den Frauen. Okay, wir helfen den Frauen because here is the plural. Yeah, and in plural, what is the article, guys? Die Frauen. Yeah, so the sentence will be wir helfen den Frauen. Die changes into den. Okay, you can see the table. Yeah, in plural, what we write? Den plus. So the sentence will be wir helfen den Frauen. Okay, yeah, so like this way you can use some other words. Okay, like there are some more verbs like danken. This is the conjugation, guys. Okay, it's danke, du dankst, er ist sie dank, sie danken, wir danken, ihr dank, sie danken, sie danken. Like I'm thanking a man, ich danke einem Mann. I'm thanking a woman, ich danke einer Frau. So Duncan is a dative verb. So we will use dative object here. Okay, when a person comes at a place of object, then we will use dative phrase. Okay, like another verb, there is a folgen. You can see the conjugation. Ich folge, du folgst, er sie folgt, sie folgen. Okay, wir folgen, ihr folgt, sie folgen, sie folgen. Okay, like I'm following the woman. What will be the sentence? Ich folge der Frau. Okay? Because woman is die Frau. Yeah. But in dative case, what we write, guys? Der Frau. So like this way, you can write the sentence. Okay. Thank you for watching. Okay.